You are recording?
You are recording.
I think someone said it was 3:30, but I just want to make sure.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Fedor striking a pose, staring into the distance, majestically.
Wow, 3:30.
Hold on, ready? Let's get a little. All right. 3, 2, 1. You're late. You're fired.
No.
It's okay. You're rehired. He's fired in the way George is fired. You know.
No.
Well, we always fire George, and he just never listens. George, fired George.
Where are we going?
Rhyme.
Okay.
Who go who?
What?
Who go when?
Sofia, Mr. Fedor, me, you?
Okay.
All right. Go ahead.
Don't touch the camera. We have it in a very delicate equilibrium, and if you poke it, you could destroy it.
All right, Mr. Fedor. Whenever you're ready.
Are we chugging the last 3?
Yes.
Okay.
So, Mr. Fedor goes, I'll follow him, you follow me. Is she ready for me?
Possibly.
Yes.
Why don't you go down to the pole?
I'm hungry, by the way.
Yeah, me too. Hi, hungry. I'm Andrew.
Oh, what a save.
Here, catch.
Oh, sorry. I didn't compensate for the tilt of the mountain.
Oh, it's down there.
It's all right. Take this one instead.
Yeah.
Oh, nice catch.
Yeah.
Andrew. Ready?
Wait.
Ah. Oh!
That's a home run for sure.
Excellently done.
Which one?
And you're still going.
You're still going.
All right.
All right. Same thing.
All right.
I see her marks.
You're up, sir.
That's where she took, right? I'm gonna follow it.
All right. You missed! We're up here! No, don't, go, stop. Stop.
You're good.
You're good.
All right.
Aha, I gotcha.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
I haven't done that in a while. I have to do it again.
I stayed with him.
Yeah. All right.
Onward!
Onward and downward.
Alright. Ready?
Hey!
Fire! We've skied together for 3 days, so we do stuff like that now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were taking Great Northern for a minute.
I think she may have thought she was taking Great Northern for a minute.
What time is it?
It was what? It was about 3:30 at the top.
Yeah, so it's probably around 4 by now.
Excuse me.
no,
that
doesn't
took
make
25 minutes. No.
No. Like 3:40,
I don't know.
maybe?
You really should start heading back over there.
Maybe, ask the guy at the bottom what time the chairs run till.
All right, fine.
Well, why are we over here?
All right,
Let's go.
Back up. All right, Sophia, whenever you're ready.
Same crew. You're good.
You're good. This angle, it looked like she was gonna run into the pole.
Oh. Oh, tough man.
Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, unless you wanted to stop. I mean.
Yep. What? Huh.
Don't do that.
I was trying to come off of the shorter one. Andrew!
Oh.
Come.
You're good.
You're good.
All right.
Whee! To the end!
I really like how you're doing the turns, Mr. Viewers.
Yeah, they're fancy, right?
Yeah.
I was learning following behind you. We should do more. Yes.
Go in front, Mr. Viewers.
We shall be the little ducklings.
Yes. Back.
Oh, wow. That one planker is going wild. Holy. Oh, he wiped out. Alright. Let's get going.
22 what? Oh. Oh. That's not Lower Rhyme, it's Upper East Fall.
Where?
The thing that we did a couple times?
Yeah.
That's East Fall Blue, not Lower Rhyme.
Oh.
Yeah, it said that on the board over there.
No, not this. This is East Fall Lower. I mean that thing.
Oh.
That's Eastville Leopard.
Are you still recording?
Oh yeah, probably.
You're good.
Okay.
Am I good? Yeah. As in, like, was I still recording?
Yes.
Okay.